Okay, welcome back. So let's take a look and see in the previous video in this series, we had looked at this autoplay off and on. And if that autoplay is off, then when you go and watch this live, then you have to actually push play, which I like. I don't want that video to start without whoever's watching it actually pushing play to get it to start. The thing that I still am working out, and I'll let you know what the answer is. If I click play over here, you can see that I'm muted out, so you're not going to hear it. Mainly because this button over here is showing that we're muted out, and also on my computer it's muting the sound. So if you wanted to listen to this, you'd have to unmute that. Now you'll see down here that you're unmuted, and so maybe that's a YouTube setting that I need to go and kind of find a little bit about, right? So once I get the answer to that, I'll let you know, because I really don't like that little pulsing thing over there that you have to click on before the sound starts coming. Maybe I get it because sometimes you want to just watch a video without the sound starting automatically, but my preference is have the sound start as soon as you push play. So once I figure out how to get that little pulsing thing off, then I will include that in a video here.